Hello kids, welcome to Baby's Toy TV. Wow, there is so many animals. Wow, this is so colorful and so cute. What is this? This is a leopard. This is a leopard. What is this? This is a horse. It's a very strong and fast animal. Wow. What is this? This is a sheep. It's a very cute animal. Wow, look at this. Babies, guess the animal names. This is a chameleon. Next, this is zebra. It's a black and white shape. This is zebra. Next, wow! What is this? This is a dog. It's a black dog. Wow. Guys, it's a very cute and farm animal. Guess the name of animal. It's a cow. Cows gives us milk. It's a very beautiful. Next. Oh my god. What is this? This is a giraffe. Woo! This is a giraffe and it's a very tall animal. It's a safari animal. Wow. Oh my god. Look at this. It's a very colorful. What's the name of this animal? It's a dung beetle. It's a dung beetle. Next. Oh, what is this? This is a rhinoceros. Rhinos is a very strong and joe animal. It's a rhinoceros. Next. Oh, look at this. This is a very angry animal. And it's a red bull. Woo! Look at this, guys. It's a red bull. Next, it's a cute giraffe.
Wow!
It's a cute giraffe. Oh, what is this? Look at this. It's a very colorful green, orange, and pink. It's a bee. Bees are very small and cute animal. This is bee. Oh my god. Look at this. This is a king of jungle. What's the name of animal? This is a lion. Lion is the king of jungle. Oh, look at this. What is this? What's the name of this animal? It's a goat. Goat are very cute and farm animal. It's a goat. Oh, what is this? Look at this. Hey babies, look at this. This is a elephant. Elephant is a very big animal. This is a elephant. Next, what is this? This is also chameleon. But it's a different color and so cute. It's a chameleon. Oh wow! What is this, guys? This is a colorful fish. It's a very cute and it lives in a sea. And it's a sea animal. Wow! What is this? It's a grasshopper. Look at this and look at her eyes. It's a grasshopper. And what is this? Look at this body. It's a iguana. It's a iguana and it's a very beautiful lizard. Next, wow, what is this? It's a monitor lizard. It's a monitor lizard. Next, oh, what an angry animal. Look at this. This is a scorpion. It has almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 legs. It's a scorpion and it's a very dangerous animal. It can bite. Next, what is this? It's a black bear. Bear is a very strong and dangerous animal. It's a black bear. Next, oh, it's lion. It's sleeping. Look at this. It's so cute. It's a deer. Deer is a zoo animal. Next. What is this? It's a frog. Frog is a sea and land animal. It's a cute frog. Next. Oh, what is this? It's a crocodile. Crocodile. Oh, what is this? Look at this, guys. It's a gecko.